program in LabVIEW through practical experience is essential for engineers, as it enables the development of efficient solutions for real-time data acquisition and control. Its use is crucial in industries such as automotive, aerospace, biomedical, and automation, where precise measurement and control systems are required. The EDIBON Software Development KIT, powered by NI LabVIEW, ELK, has been designed to enhance the learning experience by providing a practical and effective solution for programming and controlling instruments and hardware in real-world environments. This open-source software, developed within the LabVIEW environment, is offered as an optional complement to EDIBON equipment. By acquiring the ELK, users receive an academic LabVIEW license, allowing them to work with predefined codes, operate EDIBON equipment, and develop new control algorithms. This provides a dynamic learning environment that is fully aligned with the current demands of the industry. Additionally, a license for our teacher assistance and support software, ICAI, is provided. The ELK offers a wide variety of practical examples, including signal acquisition and processing, as well as guided theoretical and practical exercises. These software packages allow users to become familiar with LabVIEW, operate EDIBON equipment, and work with specific modules that reinforce theoretical concepts across various fields of study. Additionally, the system incorporates an industrially designed SCADA architecture that provides complete control over the equipment. As a practical demonstration, we will see how to create a level control program using the VIS included in the ELK. Throughout the process, the necessary steps for creating a new 6, configuring control loops, implementing analog signal acquisition, and applying gain and offset adjustments to scale signals to the desired measurement units will be detailed. Thanks to ELK, it is possible to develop control algorithms quickly and easily without the need to modify existing codes. This powerful tool, combined with EDIBON equipment, allows users to focus on studying and analyzing processes, optimizing learning and experimentation time. Thank you for watching. We hope it has been helpful. See you in the next EDIBON video.